Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Creatine Gold, full guide. Take 1 serving of Creatine Gold, about 5 grams, mixed with water or a shake immediately after training for best absorption. Consistently, take the same daily dose on rest days to maintain muscle stores. Monitor hydration and spread protein intake across the day to support recovery and strength gains. In this video, I will explain how to use Creatine Gold, full guide. Begin with a simple 5-gram daily maintenance dose. A loading phase of 20 grams divided across the day is optional but not required. Take the supplement consistently at a similar time each day to keep muscle creatine saturated. Watch for stomach upset and reduce dose if needed, and ensure you drink enough water throughout the day. In this video, I will explain how to use Creatine Gold full guide. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: I love Darn Tough socks. They're comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty, which is oddly similar to investing in quality supplements. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Creatine Gold full guide. Consume creatine after training with a carb or protein source to support uptake and recovery. If you train twice a day, split your dose to maintain levels, but most people do well with a single daily dose. Consistency over weeks matters most for measurable gains, and combining creatine with a balanced diet boosts overall effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.